In order to install iOS Launcher on Realme Note 7T, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store. And over here, once you open the Play Store, we're going to go to Search. And let's search for iOS Launcher. Of course, we need to download an app that allows us to get the launcher, or a launcher that looks like iOS Launcher. And let's say we're going to use this one in this case. Feel free to try any other app over there. I'm sure they all work quite good. There might be some small differences, but generally speaking, they do their job. So once you install the app, once we open it, you don't have to grant the permission for location, but we can grant access to everything else if you want to. And there we go. Over here, we can also make our launcher default. Of course, we have an ad, so unfortunately, we need to wait for the ad to be so that we can close it. But once it is done, we can press OK in order to set the iOS launcher as the default one. If you see this message, then you can just set it, press never. It appears pretty much every time on every smartphone, so don't worry about it. And there we go. As you can see, we have our iOS launcher. If you go to the app drawer, you might see this pop-up information if you go there for the first time. So you want to do is press OK, and then over here find and go to App Library. Let me actually go back because I chose the wrong one. There we go. So go to App Library, and after that we can go back. And let's close these settings, and there we go. Now we can use App Library without any issues. So this is how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.